Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Boobs. Hi, I'm 19, male. Lately, I've been addicted to Omegle and hindi naman nabago yung mga X-rated na mga contents doon. When I was beginning, I already saw a bunch of alarming videos. And syempre, as a curious teenager, I got engaged. For context, I am fat, kaya yung laki ng dede ko is abnormal compared to the usual chest. And mind you, hindi siya matigas or anything. Super lambot niya like the real ones. One day, napag-isip-isip ko na gamitin yun for the guys on Omegle to jerk on. Madalas ko yun ginagawa, not showing my face but rather my big ass boobs. Halos everyday ko na yun ginagawa. Then one day, I was in the supermarket when I saw a familiar guy. He is one of the guys that saw my boobs on Omegle that jerked off. I approached him and asked for his socials. Medyo nag-hesitate pa siya nung una because of course, sinong hindi magtataka. Later that day, I messaged him through Facebook and demanded that he fuck me. He said no, pero little did he know na meron akong video niya while jerking off. I used that as a blackmail and wala na siyang nagawa. We met the other week and we did it. After that, I promised that I will delete his video. Then during the first day of school, nagulat ako, kaklase ko siya. It was so fucking awkward. But later on, we became good friends with benefits.